Get fit in pink. Train with us. Next exercise, squat with bounce. This series is going to be level 1, but it requires a considerable effort. Very important. Control your breathing very well. Exercise execution. Stand with your legs apart and your toes pointing to the sides. Squat down by bending your knees and pushing your hips back. Once you reach the bottom, instead of coming back up, do a small bounce right at the point of greatest tension in your legs and glutes. Once your thighs are parallel to the ground, come back up and repeat. Inhale while squatting and exhale while returning to the starting position. In this series, we're going to do 20 repetitions to start slowly. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go with strength. Counting. 1. Down, down. Up. 2. Down, down. Up. 3. Down, down. Up. 4. Down, down. Up. 5. Down, down. Up. 6. Down, down. Up. 7. Down, down. Up. 8. Down, down. Up. When doing this squat, as always, keep your back straight, your abs tight, and make sure your knees are aligned with your toes. You can increase the number of repetitions and speed once you're ready to increase the challenge. 11. Down, down. Up. And 12. Down, down. Up. The sensation of tension that accumulates in the legs is quite intense. It's an interesting variation to get out of our comfort zone. It's a great exercise for your legs and glutes and also a great calorie burner if you do this routine regularly. You can increase the number of repetitions and speed once you're ready to increase the challenge. 17. Down, down. Up. 18. Down, down. Up. 19. Down, down. Up. 20. Down, down. Up. Stop. Good job. Shall we move on to the next exercise? Tell us in the comments, on a scale of 10, how would you rate this exercise? If you like these videos, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe by activating the notification bell to be the first to see all the exercises we upload for you. Thanks for watching.